Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 5. We will explain to all of you about making payment letter. Before that, let me introduce ourselves. I'm Aida Fani Renanda Pujawadana and my friends Januar Ulfa Kamal Janah, Nabila Rahmah, Cynthia Merina Hamid, Safira Salsabila, and Ella Permata Claudia. Enjoy watching our video.
Definition of making payment. The letter of making payment informs that the goods have been received and the person concerned is ready to make payment. So, a letter of making payment is a letter sent by the buyer to the seller which informs that the goods have been received and that the payment is immediately fulfilled according to what has been agreed. The goods order have been received and the complaint submitted by the customer has been resolved properly. The next process is payment for the goods that have been received.
I want to tell you when you want to make a letter. 1. Heading. If you want to make a heading, put logo the name of company address and the title of the context. 2. Date. When you read this letter. 3. Inside address. It is a seller address. Number 4. Solution. If you know the name, example Mr. Bayu, you can say it dear Mr. Bayu. If you don't know the name, you can say dear Sir. 5. Subject. It is the topic of the letter. 6. Content. A. Opening paragraph. You can write down the date when you received the letter and invoice number. B. Reporting an instruction or an action. You can write down the nominal and payment method. C. Closing paragraph. You can write a request for an official receipt of payment.
Example, making payment. PT Woods Indoraya, Jenderal Sudirman Street, number 5, Jakarta Pusat, 10002, Indonesia.
Next, number reference of buyer and seller, and date the writing a letter. 4. Name of the company and detail address. 5. Salutation. The salutation this letter is Dear Mr. Natanagar.
Subject. Example, invoice number 26D. Contents. Number 1. Opening paragraph. Example, we have received your letter dated 8 September 2018. Invoice attached number 26D. Number 2. Reporting an instruction or an action. Example, we have instructed our bank to send some $2,100 to be a credit to your account at the Semarang Commercial Bank. Number 3. Closing paragraph. Example, please send your official receipt for this settlement.
Things to avoid when writing making payment letter. Writing letter is not just writing, but a company has set standards for letter writing. There are several things you should avoid when making time, including: Number 1. In clear language. It is highly recommended to write letter in clear and straightforward language. Don't ask complicated language so the recipient don't get confused. Convey the intent of your letter and make it as so unclear as possible. A simple language and add it to the recipient of the letter. Number 2. Do not ask a clear tone. The tone of the letter in business must be friendly and polite so that the recipient of the letter can understand it. The tone of the letter usually leads as the beginning of the letter. For explain, it could be specifying a personal response or linking cooperation with the recipient of the message. Number 3, do not focus on attention. The mistake in making their payment delivery letter was not focused on the content of the letter. The sender of the letter must be able to focus the content of the letter on the intention of the recipient. Number 4, the content of the letter are too long. Letters that are too long are not recommended in making official letter. The recipient of a letter that is too long will not be overlooked. Make a letter with a solid and concise content to immediately set what the meaning of the letter is. For part or tour in the payment letter.
Thank you for watching of our video. More or less, we say apologize. And see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.